All right, Fat Boys, today we have the infamous, the one and the only, the one who shows just bad boys doing good things, the one who shows you just how far $1,000 can truly get you, the one who will swamp your wizard.
Listen up, baby. Listen up, let me tell you right now, that was a decent impression of me over there. But there's one thing you forgot. What's up, weirdos? Welcome to the Fat Boy Bob channel. And today we're hanging out with the one, the only, the infamous Chey Lacey. Oh my God.
Welcome back, Fat Boys. Today we are up here at Bert's Barracuda Harley-Davidson and we are preparing for the camp out. We are meeting up right now here so that we can all ride over together to the Forgotten Angels compound and we can enjoy and start our true camping experience. I'm sure a lot of people are already out there. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to all meet up here and ride out together as a true biker family to come together for this event. Here you can already see there's a whole bunch of people already here waiting for the official KSU. And now let us go see what is happening here at Bert's as we wait for the official leave time. This right here is the stuff I really like to see. Look at this freaking paint job. And it's not even textured. It is nice and it has such a nice finish on it. Look at this. That is badass on this dyno lowrider. Here we go, now we're starting to get caught back up and the traffic is flowing. We have lost a couple people just because we got so separated because of traffic, but now we are catching back up. But we are far line, but I can't even see the beginning of it. Buddy, the struggles of riding with a really big ass group. Again, just bad people doing good things.
I waited for someone to save you.
This is just fucking awesome.
You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night and I contemplate for a while.
Here we go, I recognize this road. Here we go, man. Oh, Dave and Sydney, what have you done? This is amazing. This is so freaking amazing here, guys. Words can't even describe what they have done here. This is the perfect spot. I can already tell because I picked it. Whoa! Freaking made it, man. So now it's time to show you everything I packed and set up the camping supplies.
Contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people that testify back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think for the people that testify back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna fill your gap without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? I wanna tell you something new.
And now the campsite is finally set up, so here comes a nice little tour. Literally all I need, I have a little air mattress right over there along with my sleeping bag, a helmet, all of my clothes and some chargers, all of my chargers pulled out. I have all of my like cups and lights and stuff like that to hang up a little bit later. All my workstation, turn around, got this unanimous view of the Road King Special. All of these amazing trees, amazing oaks covered in Spanish moss. Absolutely love it. So for now, let's go walk around the campsite and see what everyone else is rocking, shall we? Okay, this is fucking hilarious. Blockhead, just for you.
Nothing quite like a beer after a nice, hot, long ride.
First of all, thank you for being here to the first annual Shadetree Surgeon Weirdo Campout. As you guys already know, Josh is our biggest supporter, and we love him to death. He'll be back from taking his whiz in a minute. Shadetree Surgeon. Okay, first off, we're so grateful that you guys are here. Forgotten Angels was created in 2015, for those of you who don't know, by Cindy Tilley. I've traveled all over the world speaking to people, and I'm one of those people that once I've met you, you are immediately my friend. Have you guys got that sense yet that I love you all and that we care about you? All right, because it's true. It's absolutely true. We are so grateful for every one of you guys being here. If you haven't come up and said hello yet, shame on you. I'll be here. Come and speak to us. This is Tim. I'm going to do a couple introductions real quick. Tim has been here almost the longest. He rides. He's going to be taking his motorcycle endorsement soon, so give a hand for Tim. This is Jason. Jason is our second longest resident. Jason lives right back here in that little tiny home with his dog Jay Buddy. At 8 o'clock, we have Dave Fenley's going to be here for a concert. He's amazing. Dave was on America's Got Talent in 2013, and then in 2018 he was on The Voice. He is awesome. So please, everybody come right here at 8 o'clock. There's some shit going on. Y'all didn't know that I used that word. Now y'all think I'm Mr. Perfect and Mr. Wholesome? No, I say shit. I use that F word every once in a while too when I'm around this guy. Spend a couple minutes on Josh because he means so much to our foundation. And it's not just the money that's been raised. And for you guys who are not aware, we finished up at, I think it's $272,000. And Chey has been a supporter from the very beginning. The day she learned about Forgotten Angels, she became an immediate supporter of us, and we love her to death. Cindy and I were in tears, and when we saw her have that motorcycle accident, it still chokes me up. So we're so grateful for you, Chey, for your ride in today, the fact that you're with us. Couple more things. Is Jared here? Jared Weems? You did? Okay, well, I'm going to do a little shout out to Jared Weems because
You have to shout loud.
this all started with Jared Weems! Jared has been a dear friend to all of us on the stage. He's an amazing man, amazing bike builder. We've been following him around the country because of not just what he does, but who he is. He's an incredible man. I encourage all of you guys to get to know Jared if you get a moment. So please, If you haven't met Jared, obviously you know him through the channel, but get to know Jared. Take 5 minutes. I promise you, you'll be blessed to meet him for a couple minutes. So now that the first raffle is done, we're gonna do the drawing tomorrow. There'll be more people here, but I'm gonna announce the next drawing, what it is. We don't have it here because the vehicle doesn't actually exist yet for purchase. So the next raffle is going to be 2 vehicles.
Ooh.
The first one is going to be a motorcycle, which we haven't yet determined which it'll be yet. The second is a Ford Maverick pickup. Google it. So the next $25 winner is going to get a pickup truck, a motorcycle, and the trailer that goes with the motorcycle.
Damn.
We'll kick that off. So bigger and badder things for the foundation. And what this means for us is that it just gives us an opportunity to do more for our kids, to grow more. Forgotten Angels' goal, and she didn't know it when she met me, but my goal as soon as I came on board with Forgotten Angels was to close down as many group homes as we possibly could. Literally shut them down. Because they're horrible places. Jason and Tim have spent too many years in them. And since they've been here, they've done nothing but grow and become real fine young men. So get a minute to speak to Jason. Jason will tell you about his experience at Forgotten Angels. Tim will do the same. They're both here. Tim's a little bit shyer. I know he's hating me for calling him out right now. But Tim, there's not a young man that has grown more in the time that he's been here than this young man. And Cindy and I are so proud of him. You have no idea how proud we are. So give it up.
Listen, man, I gotta go first because you guys know he's gonna go rambling speed forever. I can't believe all of you showed up here. I'm not gonna give a speech because I'm pretty speechless right now. Just hearing all your stories about how far that you all traveled to be here is amazing. To see what is going on here for your own eyes. And I wanna thank every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. So I'm gonna do it in a group and then you guys can all line up individually for your thank you. Every single person here is a hero.
Absolutely.
So give it up for all of you, seriously. We would not be here if it wasn't for all of you. It would just be us on this stage talking to the dogs. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your support in every single way possible. Y'all are amazing. Truly, every single one of you, you're all amazing. Now line up individually so I can thank you.
All right, guys, I'm not going to spend too much time thanking you all because everybody else has done it more than enough. I think you guys have gotten too much at this point, if you really ask me. I just want to, the only thing I want to talk about is basically the same thing I talked about last year. And that's the fact that we're standing here. And what I wanted to do for everybody who came in, I've talked about this in my videos a lot, I've talked about it on Instagram a lot, and I feel like I know everybody here. People walk up to me and they say, is it weird that I'm meeting you and you're just, I just know you from the internet? I'm like, motherfucker, it ain't weird. I only know you from the internet too, it's fine, man. If you want to make it weird, it can be weird, but trust me, it's fine, man. It's absolutely fine. And everybody came here from so far away, and I love it. I look into this crowd, and I just see just some of the absolute worst people I can imagine. These are everyone. This is just a motley pack of assholes. Some of the dregs of society. Some of the people that society and the general public never believed in. I know every single person here. When you look at these young men here, I know every single person here. Maybe not everybody. Some people had great families, but I know a lot of you guys here. A lot of you guys had a hard time when you were kids. A lot of time, I know a lot of you had to remember the first time you hit your dad in the face. You know, like I know there's a lot of people who have checkered past here. I can see it from your tattoos. I can see it from your scars. I can see it from the looks on your faces. And why we did this and why this event is free beer, free food, free camping. Everything is free. Because everybody is welcome. If all the money you have is enough money to get your daughter carcass here, that's all you need to do, because everybody's welcome. I always talk about Florida. People talk about how weird Florida is. Talk about the Florida man. You know why? Because everybody's running from something. And Florida's the last stop. So they end up here. And you guys are sitting here and you're looking at this. And what I want you all to think about while you're here is all these young men here are what you can do, either by talking about it, by donating, or by donating your time. What you can do for everybody who had a shitty childhood, for everybody who didn't get along with their dad, for everybody who society passed over, for everybody who society has looked at them like they weren't good enough, and I see you guys out there. What you can do is help negate that for somebody else. And that's what this place has done for me. It's given me a purpose. It's given me something I can believe in. Because otherwise, I'm just drinking and drugging and having fun, and what am I doing? But now, I can do something. I can do something that means something. I can help somebody. And it has Dave and Cindy, and very specifically Jared Weems, who I wish was here right now, have changed my life. Changed my life. And I hope that everybody standing here right now, that it changes your life as well. Because you can do something that's worth doing. You can come here and you can make a difference in somebody's life. Because let me tell you, look at you assholes right here, it's too late for y'all. But you can do something to help them out. And that's why we're here, and that's what we're doing, and that's why I invited people from all over the country, and people came here so you can see it for yourself. I'm not making it up. I want you to see what I see. When I talk about it in the videos and I say this changed my life, when I come out here and I look at what's happening out here, it just brings me to my knees. I'm so humbled. I'm so amazed. It makes me want to cry. I want everyone to experience that. So, basically so I can just, feel better. So it's like, you guys get to cry too, all right? Thanks for coming out, man. You guys, everybody.
On that note, taps are open.
So now taking a little break from enjoying all of the times up here, we now have Dave Finley about to perform in about an hour. Been hanging out with HerTwoWheels, Shadetree Surgeon, Captain Anna from the Blockhead crew, and everyone else, including Chey. It has been such an amazing time talking with every single person here. But now I'm just gonna kind of enjoy the rest of the night, enjoy everything that's happening here, because it truly is amazing to see everyone here and the amazing mission that we are accomplishing here. So here's a little bit of everything else that is happening throughout the night.
The next day.
Welcome back on this really dark early morning, and we are actually sadly having to leave the Forgotten Angels Campout just for today though, just for today, because I have to go over to the East Coast for Black Cloud's wedding, and I'll be back tonight for the fun activities, so to speak. So let's just fast forward until then, shall we?
12 o'clock midnight.
Got back just in time for karaoke. What the hell am I getting myself into?